Forgotten username recovery failed on Tomoson Finance Fix. If you've been struggling to recover your Tomoson Finance username, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because Tomoson has shifted away from traditional usernames. Today, your registered email address or phone number is the key to accessing your account. The surprising truth is that trying to guess old usernames often wastes time and leads nowhere. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Open the Tomoson Finance website or app and select Forgot Username. Enter the email or phone number linked to your account. This is how Tomoson identifies users securely. Step 2. If you no longer have access to your registered email or phone, you'll need to verify your identity. Prepare details like your full name, date of birth, and any account-specific information. This ensures only the rightful account owner can regain access. Step 3. After verification, you may be prompted to reset your password. Follow the instructions carefully and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see the recovery email immediately. Step 4. If the standard recovery process fails, contact Tomoson Finance support directly. Explain that username recovery attempts failed and provide the required personal information. Their team will guide you safely through the process. Many users assume losing a username means permanent lockout, but in reality, Tomoson Finance transitioned to email and phone-based login to improve security and simplify access. By following these steps, you'll regain access quickly. Focus on your registered email or phone, verify your identity when necessary, and you'll be back managing your Tomoson Finance account confidently without any stress.